fire. This is not for everyone.
Hello travel mates, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jordi, this is Haekyeon, and we are the Lifetime Travel Mates.
And today we're going to cook Korean noodles. So many of our subscribers ask us to cook some Korean noodles. So I'm going to introduce or just cook how some Koreans cook their noodles with some other different ingredients.
Or like a customized recipe?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I'm excited to try that. Let's go!
Shin is probably the most popular Korean ramen brand from Nongshim Company, not only in Korea but also in overseas. There are many other different ramen brands: Kimchi ramen, 너구리, 고고면, 진라면, 참깨라면, 삼양라면, 진짬뽕, 안탕탕면, 도시락, and more. But Shin is the classic, the best-selling for many years, and it's my personal favorite ramen brand. Koreans love experimenting these noodles, adding different food ingredients in it, and I'm going to show you one of them today.
So is this like a secret recipe or can I look?
You can look.
Yeah? Okay.
Many Koreans do these. This is like a seafood ramen kind of stuff.
Seafood ramen kind of stuff, okay. It's a home recipe, it's Haekyeon's recipe. Have you made that before?
No.
So I'm a guinea pig for your experiment. Okay. Fun enough. Thank you. Yeah, let's have some fun.
I really like onion in the ramen.
Why Ramyeon? Not ramen?
It's not ramen, it's ramyeon.
Why?
In Korean, it's just ramyeon.
Why?
Oh, that's how we call it. We don't call it ramen.
Because myeon means noodles. This symbol here means noodle, myeon. Shin, what's shin?
Shin, it means like spicy.
Oh, spicy noodles. So what we say in Korean myeon, it's what you hear in Japanese men, like ramen or sukemen or tantanmen. Am I right?
Here we have a linguist.
No, linguistic, no. A person who is a bit more interested than you in languages. See some shrimps. Are they fresh? No, right? They are.
They were frozen, but this morning I just unfroze them.
So they are fresh now.
Yes.
Oil?
Green onions. So this is
What's in
green
here?
onion.
Green onion.
This makes the broth, when you taste the broth, like it's refreshing. I don't know how to call it in Korea. We say like 시원하다, like cool, like refreshing flavor when you taste the broth. I don't know how to translate it in English.
Definitely not refreshing.
And then, Jordi, can you please open the Shin ramen package?
Shin ramen package opening. And I open the shit. What the hell did you do here? She put so. Oh my god, it's just so spicy. You crazy.
So it's okay, it's okay.
I don't know.
Please, you have to be fast. You have to be fast.
All of them?
Yeah, all of them. Oh, you look that far. Be fast.
Oh wow, it smells nice.
No, not the.
Good. Yeah, screwed. You don't give instructions.
Okay.
And put the water. And now what? Wait.
Now until the shrimps are cooked.
Okay. Did you calculate the water? It is super watery. Ah well, that's a soup, yeah. It's a noodle soup. Not dry noodles like the maggi, right? I'm sorry, but this looks super. This is more red than even my eyes. My eyes are itchy from all this spicy steam coming up. Jesus Christ. Just to show you.
It's fine. There's a shrimp and all. It's fine.
Yeah, shrimp and all. What? It's gonna make super spicy soup. It's hard to breathe here. Really, it's really spicy. Oh my god. What? Anyway, yeah, I'm looking forward to it anyway. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so afraid that it's going to be super spicy. Like in Korean recipe, it's that like 1 tablespoon of chili powder but I forgot that the chili powder in Korea and in India is different. And in India, I figured that it's more spicy. So, yeah. You know what? I'm not doing this for fun. There's a scientific reason that if you are doing like this, the noodle gets more like chewy because it meets the cold air at the same time like this.
Yeah? It doesn't say anything in the packet. Oh, wait, I think you're putting the egg too soon.
No, it's fine.
Let the ramen cook a bit more.
It's cooked already. It's cooked already. No, I'm not. Done.
It looks spicy and soupy. So different from Maggi. So you're gonna be eating with me.
Yes.
Yum.
Okay, let's try.
Metal chopsticks. In Korea, it's quite common to use metal chopsticks. This looks very spicy, really.
I know.
Oh my god. Okay, it doesn't look bad, but what it looks is very spicy.
Again, for the best.
Super hot. Super hot. I have really low tolerance for
Oh my god.
food temperatures, high food temperatures, whatever. When food is very hot, I have to wait. Really, I can't. Koreans have no sense on the tongue, so kind of.
No sense of the tongue.
It's spicy, but it's good spicy. If you know what I mean.
And the shrimp?
I haven't tried the shrimp yet.
Not bad.
Let me try the soup. It brings me memories of being in Korea, really. So many times, especially as a student, so many times eating this at home, outside, anywhere.
And this is like a must-eat food when you go like camping. You know, like you do the swimming.
Yeah, you carry those portable
Yeah.
gas. Yeah, those portable gas, and you buy these, and they put like 3 packets or 4 packets, depending how many people are there. Put them up.
Just put them all together and then you just cook on the spot and it's the best.
Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Not really, it looks disgusting. But it's nice. Nice. I like the note that the green onion and the onion gives. And the garlic, I guess. Let's not forget the broth. Spicy. No, this is not for everyone, really. Some people would cry with it.
Oh, it's like I'm in a sauna or something.
Woo! Woo! At the end is when it gets spicy. Now my throat is on fire. Please let us know in the comments if you try this recipe, this messed up recipe. What do you think about it? If it's too spicy for you, or you would add more spice, but just let us know what you think. You know what would be nice here? Chicken. Pieces of chicken. Well, not this one, because this one is seafood, but some chicken would be good. So traditionally, when you are done with the noodles, what happens?
Right.
We put rice in the soup, or kind of soup.
Just a little.
Yum yum.
Just to finish the leftover
I know.
soup.
Exactly. And let the rice soak into this beautiful and rich broth. And you're done. Nice. Now, since it's less concentrated, less ingredients, less spice, it's more mild. And the rice absorbs all this liquid and distributes the spiciness. Thank you so much for watching. So this was Shin Ramyeon customized version by a Korean native eater. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and
Leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel.
hit the notification bell. See you next time. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Shin Ramyeon tasting 1. Look. Hey, subscribe. Yeah, back in the day, I remember this eating so much with my friends. Okay. Actually, there is one thing,
Right now, my nose is running.
Yeah, that's
And I'm
quite
sweating.
common.
Great, come talk.